Hello guys, so welcome to KO Tutorials. So let's continue with the next part of this tutorial. So let's get started. So as you can see over here, we have almost done with the modeling of this particular interior over here. So few things are left out which we'll be completing over here. So let's get started. So very first of all, what I'll be doing over here is like, let's go into this front view. I'll just take a line over here. I'll just click it over here. So now go into rendering, enable in viewport, just reduce the thickness, go into the interpolation and let's increase the sides over here, slightly just push this over here, go again into the front view, take a line tool and I'll just go into this, I'll just off this, I'll just create a shape like this. So now again I'll go into the modifier list and let's take a lathe modifier, keep it as max over here, select the line, the vertices, select the rectangular and go down, and we have an option over here called fillet. So let's just give a fillet option in this way. So now just drag it over here, slightly just scale it, push it over here. Alright. Now again I'll go to the top view. Let's just take a line tool. So let's just take a line tool over here. I'll go into this, enable in viewport and let's make it as rectangular. So slightly just scale this. Alright. Now we can make it more thinner. It's very important to make it more thin. Again go over here, slightly you can scale it if needed, go into hierarchy, effect pivot only and just drag it over here. Let's just duplicate it and let's take one more copy of it. So we can make such a copy over here, scale it, drag it over here, slightly resize this, push it over here, and now again take a line, drag it over here, select this, alright. So just save the file. Now we have some details. Let's just take this details over here, select the vertices, slightly give a bit of fillet. Alright. Drag it over here. Just place it. Again go over here and take a spear. So you can go over here and take a FFD box. So slightly if you need it, you can just scale it if needed. Just drag this up, convert to poly and resize it. So we can just scale it if needed over here. So we can just slightly scale this as required over here. Now let's again go over here into the front view and let's create this. So let's just take a line tool. So I can just slightly, if needed, I can slightly just shuffle this up if required. So we can just select this and scale it up. So now again take a line, and make it as radial. So convert to editable poly. You can just create a spear over here, activate the auto grid, and you can just drag it down. So let's go to the top view where we have created this. So I'll just drag it over here. Again take one more line. I'll just off this auto grid. So let's just reduce the thickness. In this way. And this is going to go in this way on the back side. On the other hand, again this is going to go in this direction. Push it over here in this way. And if you want, you can slightly just shuffle this up in this way. Again select this, again drag it down a bit. So select this part, convert to editable poly, select the polygons, select the and bevel it slightly. Alright, again extrude it slightly. Again extrude it further. Alright, now again go into this and take a sphere. So take a sphere over here, it's too big. So slightly just scale it, drag it up. So convert to poly. So before that, slightly reduce it, select the polygons and let's delete it, scale it. So we can overall scale it if it is required. Alt A, just resize it and slightly rotate it. So just drag it up over here. Alright, so we can scale it later also. I can just make it more small and do the adjustments. So again go into this, select the border, alright. So just drag it down in this. So we can just select this whole thing and let's scale this to make it look proper. So guys, if any doubts, please put it in the comment section over here. So please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. So this just few things are left which will be completing it in the coming tutorial. Then we will start up with the texturing part. So thanks for watching this tutorial.